Okay, yes, I feel that the government is passing the buck when it comes with the sound pollution that we're having in Anjuna, Vagator, and other places in Goa. It is like when we used to call 112, they would call the Anjuna police station. Sometimes 112 would be so fed up of our calls that they would say, "Ma'am, we are giving you the number. You dial and you see what you can get through, if you could get through." And the same thing is now. If you're going to call the JSPCB and they're going to call the cops, or they're going to give us some other number, some teams are going to handle it. What guarantee is there that the music is going to stop? What guarantee is it that they're going to confiscate all their equipments and it really closes down? So yes, it's taking us back to square one, and I feel they're not really serious about this. The government, they really don't have the political will to help the citizens of Goa, and it is their duty ultimately. They are the ones responsible to ensure that law is enforced properly, and if they're going to just pass it around to everybody else besides themselves, then this is not right, and they need to really put all things in place ASAP, really. Otherwise, it's going to go out of control. There's going to be so many clubs coming up and so many of them just blasting away. What's going to happen to us? So yes, the government isn't serious, and they are definitely passing the buck to everybody else besides themselves.
नमस्कार, हांव रवी हरमलकर अंजुणच्यान. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबरच आसतली, आमचो सगळ्याकून एक व्हडलो प्रॉब्लम आसा. कितलींशींच वर्सां आमी फेस करता तो म्हणजे साऊंड पोल्युशनाचो, नॉयज पोल्युशनाचो. म्हाका दिसता कालूय बी एक हियरींग जाला ऑनरेबल हायकोर्टान, आनी तेंच्यांनी बरो एक निवाडो दिल्लो आसा. कितें खुबशे जजमेंट दिल्ले आसा आमच्या फेवरान. हांव एकूच सांगपाक सोदता तुमकां, जे वागातोरचे लोक आसा पळय तेंचे देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, तेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येयले आनी हो लढो लढलो म्हणून सरकाराच्या अगेन्स्ट, सरकाराची इच्छा आसली तेच्या अगेन्स्ट आमी जिखले. पण सरकाराक एकूच सांगपाक सोदता, जे तुमी आमच्या वांगडा खेळ खेळटात, जो बावल्यांचो खेळ खेळटात, तो सरकारान एक्चुअली बंद करचो आनी आमकां सपोर्ट करचो. पयशे हे सगळे न्हू, ते क्लब दिल्लीकार जे क्लब ओनर्स आसा पळय तेंचे पासून एक्सटॉर्शन करतात आनी स्वताची कुंबडी भरतात, ते एक्चुअली तुमी बंद करपाक जाय. आनी लोकल जे स्थानीक आहा पळय तेंकां तुमी मदत करपाक जाय. म्हाजे एकूच मागणें तरी पूण ते प्रमोद सावंत सरकारा कडेन, तुम्ही जे पैसे केले पळय तितले बंद करा आनी आमकां लोकलांक सपोर्ट करा. आमकां न्हीद दिया, भुरग्यांक शिकोवणी. तुम्ही तुमच्या भुरग्यांक बऱ्या स्कुलांनी धाडटात, पयस धाडटात, ते तशें आमकां परवडना बऱ्या स्कुलांनी पयस धाडपाक. आमी आमच्याच लोकल स्कुलांनी धाडटात आनी ते तांकां शिकयतात थंय. सो इतलेंच मागता सरकारा कडेन, खेळ खेळपाचो बंद करात जनते कडेन आनी आमकां सपोर्ट करा. देव बरें करूं.
Hi, my name is Dr. Nasio Fernandez, and regarding the recent Anjuna noise pollution hearing, the court has decided that 5 venues, I'm not sure what is the rationale for choosing the 5 venues, but they have said that they will start the noise monitoring stations at these places. But considering the n number of venues that are there, that are left to play music without any stop, and the fact that we are using government resources like police personnel from 3 police stations, 3 jurisdictions have to stop their work at night to come satisfy the businesses over here that are actually flouting the rules set down by the High Court and the Supreme Court. This is a contempt petition, and the authorities involved are the GSPCB, police and panchayat, who are directed to take action. So without once again to avoid the authorities passing the parcel, and for us to be at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning at the police station trying to figure out a solution, we need a definitive solution and a definition of what the term action by the police means. Does it mean seizing equipment? Does it mean shutdown? And according to some rules that said that if it's a repeat offender, they have to cancel their licenses. So what happens to all these things? Because just going to a venue and saying that there is no music while the music returns after half an hour is a very common occurrence. So hopefully we can come up with a methodology or a plan that involves having the civilian also on board, getting a feedback from 112 or from the police station asking if the venue has stopped their music. If the music has not stopped, we need some further action plan. Because if this plan fails, we cannot be running back to the courts again. And we are very grateful that the court has decided to take some action and that we might have a better chance of a good sleep.